Welcome to watching the installation and use guide of chasing Cerulean Omniscan 450 FS sonar. The package contains chasing Omniscan 450 FS sonar, chasing quick release components, M3x8 screws. The 300-meter version also includes a buoyancy module. First, assemble the accessories. Connect the quick release plate and M3x8 screws to the Omniscan sonar bracket in sequence. Then, while the ROV is powered off, install the quick release holder to the front or central bottom of the ROV as needed and tighten the screw rod. Finally, connect the sonar cable to the ROV's network port and tighten the nut. Then slide the assembled sonar into the quick release holder in the direction of the arrow marking. You will hear a click indicating it is securely fixed. At this point, the installation of the 100-meter version of the Omniscan sonar is complete. If you are using the 300-meter version of the sonar, you also need to install the chasing quick release holder on the top of the corresponding ROV and slide the buoyancy module in the direction of the quick release holder arrow. First, connect the ROV and ensure it is working properly. Then open the Chasing Go 1 app, click on the docking station icon, and confirm that the sidescan sonar is powered on. Use a computer to connect to the remote controller's Wi-Fi. Finally, install the Sonar View program on your computer. After entering the program, click Device Discovery and, once the device is recognized, click Connect to enter the Sonar Scan control page. Click the Start button at the top left of the screen to begin using it. You can also freely adjust the scanning distance. Additionally, Sonar View supports 3 display modes to meet various analysis needs. Click the Record button to start recording scanning footage and click again to stop recording. To replay the recording, simply click Replay Log File when starting the program, then click Open Local File. After selecting and opening the file you wish to replay, click the Play button to begin.